Hello, my name is Dan Hayes. I was born and raised in the UK. I studied Spanish and linguistics at the University of Oxford. And since I graduated in 2014, I've been a professional English teacher at a private and public university in Mexico. I'd like to talk to you about a list I made 10 years ago in 2010. And I originally made this list to talk about the things that I wanted to do in the future, my ambitions, right? So the first thing I wrote was I wanted to visit France. Now, have I fulfilled that objective? Have I visited France? Yes, I have visited France. So we can imagine giving France a little tick. Okay? And the next one is buy a house. What do you think? Do you think I have bought a house, or do I still have that as one of my ambitions in life? And the answer is, unfortunately, I haven't bought a house. Maybe in the future, I hope, fingers crossed, I will buy a house. Okay. And then the next one is write a book. Do you think I have written a book? Well, in fact, yes, I have. I have written a book. Okay. And then we have run a marathon. Do you think I have run a marathon? Sadly, no. I haven't run a marathon. So, unfortunately, we can't give that one a little tick. We have to do that in the future at some point. What do you think about the last one? Drive a Ferrari. Do you think I have driven a Ferrari? The answer is unfortunately no, I haven't driven a Ferrari. Okay, so let's analyze this very quickly. So, one of my ambitions was to visit France, and I have visited France. Just notice how the verb changes from visit to visited. Okay. Um, I wanted to buy a house, but I haven't bought a house. Okay. I wanted to write a book, but I haven't written a book. Okay. I wanted to run a marathon, but I haven't run a marathon. Okay. I wanted to drive a Ferrari, but I haven't driven a Ferrari. Okay. So when you're using this tense that we have here on the right hand side, that's called the present perfect. Okay. Um, we use the present perfect by combining have or has with the past participle. So, for example, I have visited. Where have you visited? Have you visited Spain? Have you visited Egypt? Have you visited Mexico? Okay. Buy goes to bought. So, I haven't bought a house. We haven't bought a new cake or whatever. Write a book. She hasn't written a book. Okay, so written is the past participle. Run a marathon. I haven't run a marathon. Drive a Ferrari. For example, I have driven a Volkswagen, but I haven't driven a Ferrari. Okay? Well, I hope this information is useful, guys. Thank you very much.